Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be creating this look for you guys. I'm going to be using another one of the palettes from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collaboration palette, or the collection is called The Vault, and the palette that I'm going to be using is called Ring the Alarm. If you guys want to learn how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so first things first, we're going to start doing our eyebrows. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color medium and filling them in with this number 12 brush. And then after, I'm going to go ahead and clean that up with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and a flat brush. With the same concealer, I'm going to use this for my primer. I'm just going to apply a little bit of that, well, maybe a lot of that on my lid, and then blending it out with this crown brush. Once I've blended that all out, I'm going to be using my translucent powder and then just setting my lid. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Ring the Alarm palette, and I'm going to be going in with the color brush and just applying that on my crease with a fluffy brush. Right after that, I'm going to be using the color Alert from the palette, and I'm going to be applying that right on top of that other color. Next, I'm going to be applying this jumbo pencil from NYX in the color Milk, and I'm going to use this to cut my crease. I'm just going to go roughly apply it on my lid and then going in with this brush after and cleaning it up. Once we've blended that out, we're going to go with the color Lolly, and we're going to apply that with this flat brush, and we're just going to apply that all over the area where we applied that jumbo pencil. After applying that, we're going to start applying the color Siren to the outer corner of our eye. I'm going to bring it in about halfway across my eye and then just blending it out in circular motion. Next, you guys are going to see me going back and forth here a little bit. I'm going to go back in with the color Rush and that fluffy brush, and I'm just going to start applying that again on top of that crease just to blend everything out and make it look smooth. I'm going to go back to the color Siren, and I'm using this angled brush, and I'm just going to apply this as if I was applying liquid eyeliner just to deepen that corner up a little bit more. You're going to see me here again grab that brush again and then just add a little bit more of Siren. Next, I'm going to be curling my eyelashes. After curling my lashes, I'm going to be applying 2 coats of mascara. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did my eyelashes and the rest of my makeup off of camera. I wanted to focus this video a little bit more on just the eyeshadow look, but I will definitely be leaving all the details down below. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Finally, I'm done. My eyes are watering like fucking crazy. My eyelash is starting to come off, so I'm getting ready to just like take this motherfucking makeup off.